How about an awesome looking Super C? Cool blacked out wheels, 4x4. This is the 2025 Omni Trail 29S. We're talking with Garrett, who has all of the specs you need to get yourself into an S29. Garrett, thanks for being here. I love driving these F550s. They're just powerful. They're beasts. They're beasts.
Can't beat it.
So take us through, because I know you spend many miles. You put many miles on here. You have a lot more road time than I do. So talk about what you like about driving this and really what sets it apart.
Yes. So this is the S29. This built on the Ford F550. So it's powered by Ford's 6.7 liter power stroke. That's paired with Ford's 10-speed torque shift transmission. And the two together just create a phenomenal ride, ton of power, especially going up through the mountains. And I've driven it through the White Mountains, Green Mountains, up in New Hampshire, Vermont, Alleghenies up in PA.
Everywhere.
I mean, you can't beat it. I've driven this through Arctic blasts, snowstorms, rainstorms, and I mean, it's one hand on the steering wheel, you're just cruising. Great fuel economy, it's quiet. I mean, you don't have a lot of wind noise or road noise coming up through the chassis. So it's a completely different ride than you're typically used to with like an E-Series Ford gas motorhome.
So what are we going to have for towing on this?
Yep, so even though it's on the 550, it has a 12,000 pound hitch on the back.
Okay, and that's a true 12?
True 12.
That means you can load anything.
Oh yeah.
Load and go. So let's walk down the side, because we've got a lot of great features out here. We'll start with some of the entertainment. So once you get through that Arctic snowstorm and somewhere warm and you can set up camp, take us through all the features out here.
Yeah, so it's nice that you got a 32-inch flat panel TV, smart TV now. So everything's already integrated into it. You got your sound bar connected to it. So as you pull it out, I mean, we used to have the sound bar connected down in here, so now sound will travel better, which is much more convenient. You're gonna have 54 cubic feet of basement storage, so a ton of exterior storage here. All Rotocast storage compartments. Now the exterior of this, this is a partial paint.
Okay.
So that's what comes standard on the Omni Trail.
Okay.
You can option in full body paint.
Gotcha. Gotcha. And I want to get back to the smart TV real quick. 5G on board.
Oh yeah.
Which is
big time.
Fast and awesome. Walking down here, more storage.
And more storage here, LED lights in all the storage bays. You are gonna have a Suburban tankless on-demand water heater. Propane quick connect. Any propane appliance you plug it in feeds directly off your propane tank right there. You're also gonna have an 18-foot awning up top. So that'll cover the campsite, cover everything you got. Create a nice
steel bumper. I love having a steel bumper.
Rugged.
It is. Having the 4x4 in slippery conditions is just such a confidence inspiring, and the safety tech on here is nice too.
Lane departure warning from Ford, automatic emergency braking from Ford. And the big thing with the 4x4, a lot of customers, they're going to, I mean, if you're at horse tracks, race tracks, the parking lots are mud.
Oh yeah.
I mean, you get some rain, you gotta wait for it to dry. So a lot of people talk about 4x4, why do I need 4x4? A lot of it's just peace of mind, getting you out of your campsite.
Right, yeah, and it's not something you're gonna want to use on dry pavement, because you will do some serious damage, but to have that extra amount of traction is great. And then you have the variable drive modes as well, whether it's mud and ruts or eco or whatever, I think is really cool. And I like the update to the dash Ford did within the past year too, I think really.
Yeah, so Ford redesigned the interior of the cab, and they also redesigned the exterior of the body. So it's a whole new look for the F-Series Super Duty.
Looks great, and the floor plan looks great. So walk us through from the massive bunk to the back on what we have in here.
Yeah.
This is a great floor plan.
Oh, phenomenal floor plan. We've only gotten a few out there, and they've sold quick, very quick. So you're gonna have your 4-person dinette right here. This obviously drops down into a bed. You're gonna have seat belts on both sides, child safety tether for a car seat. That's gonna come standard. Then you're gonna have also wireless charging on the dinette. Going back here, you're gonna have your wardrobe.
And this is massive,
it's
by
big.
the way. You got the shelves, there's a little hamper or storage, whatever you want back there.
Nice spot for your ladder for up front.
For the overcap bunk, 800-pound capacity on that bunk.
Plenty of drawer space too, 6 drawers. It's always convenient to have. And then the Murphy bed. So this Murphy bed design is really easy to set up and tear down.
All right.
So you literally just plop these right here, flip these over.
You tell me when. Ready?
Do it.
Just like that.
Setup is easy.
Bam. Look at that.
Quick.
That's fast.
What's nice, you got The little leaf spring design underneath here helps with ventilation, give you a little bit of support. But outlets on the side of the bed, those are gonna be inverted. You have an 1800 watt inverter on this.
Okay.
You're also gonna have 100 watts of solar standard with 2 house batteries, but you can option in the upgraded solar package for 2 additional 200 watt panels for a total of 500 watts of solar, 2 additional batteries for a total of 4 batteries. So you can have 500 watts of solar, 4 house batteries, and you have an 1800 watt inverter. You're also gonna have auto generator start to automatically turn on the generator. So when it comes to dry camping, there's a lot of ways to keep your batteries charged and use that inverted power a lot longer.
And 2 roof ACs on here as well.
2 13.5s.
Nice. So I have to ask, as you are recently married, are you the make the bed in the morning guy, or are you the just leave it like it is guy?
Just leave it as is.
That's what I love about this, because we're on the same page, right? It would look all, and then we would just go like this.
One touch.
And then,
hide it
look,
away.
honey, I made the bed.
Made the bed.
I made the bed. Just like that. I love how this
the best part
works. Boom, fast. Away you go.
And then you even have, on the other side, you're gonna have your fireplace. We've never had a fireplace in an Omni or Magnitude. So that's nice to have, nice to give you a little extra heat too. Nice TV, and even better,
the storage. I didn't even know the storage back here existed until Tom says, hey, I threw all my backpacking gear back here, and I'm like,
you got a PlayStation, Xbox, you plug it into the outlet back here, you can feed it directly to the TV, no wires all over the place.
That's awesome. And then this is huge.
Oh yeah.
I mean, tons of storage in this. Tons of storage. And in the bathroom, we'll hit the bathroom here real quick, and then we'll come back up and walk through the kitchen in here.
Big shower, a lot of counter space, nice seating area for the toilet.
Everything you need for, and the nice thing is you can access the bathroom with the wall in.
Oh yeah, on all Magnitude Omni floor plans, when the slides are all the way in, you have full access to the bed, to the bathroom, and then you can use everything. The kitchen, the fridge, everything's accessible.
And let's talk about this kitchen here. Got a little different setup in here with the oven.
So you're gonna have an oven, a 3 gas burner, and a microwave. We haven't had that on this lineup before, so it's nice to have everything. You're gonna have the Furrion set up, plenty of counter space, dual stainless steel bowl sinks, flip up for more storage. Got your power tower with wireless charging.
Rapid Cam Plus here to control your solar, your slide, your tank levels, your one-touch leveling jacks, easily, conveniently laid out, and a lot of headroom in here too. I mean, this is tons of space in here. And this is just the one slide, which I like having the slide over there, so when you're set up at camp, you can easily access your bays, you can set up your chairs. There's almost like no encumbrances, which is
this is short.
Yeah, which is nice because you get a ton of room inside.
Oh,
You packed it in. Great motorhome. It is the S29, and you can build your own right now at thormotorcoach.com.